I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Hey, what's happening, YouTubers? I'm over here in Hump Valley, Maryland. Well, see, I got the truck right here in my background. So I just got backed into this tight ass dock. There's a trash dumpster over there. See, I'm on the line. Then we got a generator right there. It's got a lot of graffiti on it. This here's special, you know, especially in the way. But see, there's another trash dumpster back here. See it right there. So I did all this one here, so I didn't have to worry about Abe backing in here. But this place has got a bunch of generators everywhere. See all down through here. There's Abe. Say hey, Abe. And there's a truck. So what we're doing is we're blocking the drive here. This guy here is getting ready to pick up a generator, and we're dropping off generators and new ones and new parts for generators. So I'm gonna go in here and talk to this guy and see where we go. Oh, and I put the drone up in the air, let old famous Abe fly it, me backing into the dock. So I'll have some high-speed footage of that shortly with this video too. So when you guys see that, you guys will enjoy it. So let me go in here and talk to this guy. And there's right there, Fidelity Power Systems.